So it's very important in our design that we draw what we call to scale. Doesn't have to be perfect. Dimensions don't have to be exact, but when I'm doing different parts of a drawing, they need to match together when I put them together, which means they need to be roughly the same size. In other words, if I draw something 10-foot long in one drawing and 10-foot long in another, when we put those together, we should be able to match them up, and those two 10-foot lengths should be about the same, especially if we're just doing a visualization. Well, here's the rub. A lot of times our information comes from images that we can't just put in. When you look at this image that's on my screen, unless you actually put some dimensions on it, you don't know how big it is. And so if I need some information from this image to go into my SketchUp or my AutoCAD or my Revit, I need some scaling information. So I can use an image and then I'll need to scale it so that if I look at this length, when I import my image, it will match up with this reported length. So that's the idea behind putting an image into SketchUp and scaling it. We often have bits of information that are needed for a design, and they're held in many different places. Sometimes they're images, sometimes they're other files, but we need to be able to bring them in and get them to the right size so that we can use them together in our new file.